Hello, Mika Fam, Mara here for today's video. Magka-cash in tayo gamit si Western Union. And did you know na pwede nating ma-receive yung funds na yon sa mismong GCash app natin? Hindi na natin kailangang pumunta ng Western Union branch dahil pwede mo na siyang gawin sa mobile phone mo. So dito sa GCash account natin, tap natin itong cash in. After nyan, dahil yung Western Union ay global partner po, andito tayo sa baba, recent partners. So tap natin itong Western Union, or kung hindi mo makita dyan sa baba, punta ka dito sa global partners and remittance. And then hanapin mo si Western Union. So tap natin itong Western Union, ilagay natin dito yung expected amount. And lagay natin dito yung MTCN. MTCN po is 10 digits po. And kung hindi mo alam kung saan makikita yung MTCN, kapag may nagpadala sa inyo, ito yung ibibigay. Ito yung, basta hanapin mo yung MTCN and yun yung gamitin mo. So, ilagay ko lang dito. Guys, para sa country of birth, kung galing lang ding Pinas yung nagpadala sa inyo, Philippines yung piliin ninyo. Pero kung galing abroad naman yung pera and pinadala via Western Union, then piliin nyo dito kung aling country nanggagaling yung nagpadala sa inyo via Western Union. So sa case ko, it's international and galing Ireland yan. Oh wow, may pa-Ireland. So yun yung pinili kong country of birth. Again, kung galing Pinas, Philippines yung piliin nyo dito. Tap lang natin tong next. Remit via Western Union, you're about to remit 6,000 pesos using your reference number. Tap natin tong next. Western Union to GCash remittance successful. Yung remittance po natin was successfully completed and makaka-receive na tayo ng SMS para ma-confirm yung ating transaction. So tap natin tong okay. And as you can see, 7,354 siya. That's because meron tayong laman. That's because meron ng laman yung ating GCash bago pa tayo nag-cash in via Western Union. May SMS na dumating dito sa ating app. Kung hindi ka naka-receive ng SMS, pwede mong i-check yung transaction na ginawa mo dito sa transactions na nasa baba. Tap mo yan and makikita mo dito cash in Western Union. Tap mo yan and ayan, makikita mo yung reference number na in-enter natin a while ago and yung amount. So kanina nilagay ko 6,000 pesos pero ang pumasok dito sa atin is 5,954. Also guys, take note ha na yung pinadala sa akin na amount is $108 po. And kung i-convert mo siya sa Philippine peso, magva-vary po talaga siya. Also we have to consider na may mga charges pa yan pero hindi kasi siya stated dito. Yung makikita mo sa system mo is yung amount na na-receive mo. Hindi nakasama dyan yung breakdown. So try po natin na i-check kung magkano yung conversion ng $108 to Philippine peso, and that is 6,130. Updated po ito na exchange rate guys, as you can see. Oh, let's do the math guys. 6,130 yung conversion ng $108 pero na-receive natin sa ating GCash is 5,954. So 176 pesos po yung nabawas doon sa mismong currency. So kung ito yung charge guys, hindi na siya masama. Okay na yung charge na to. Kung merong magpadala sa inyo via Western Union, whether international man yan or domestic lang, kung within Philippines lang, pwede mong gamitin ito feature na to. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.